Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pollo A La Plancha. We are going to flatten this chicken and we are going to show you how to keep it juicy and how to cook it evenly. Today I'm using chicken breast, and what I did is I sliced it down the middle. I laid saran wrap over it, and all we're going to do is pound it down so that we can get it nice and flat so we can get that even cook that everybody loves. To your mixing bowl, you want to add mayonnaise. And for those of you that don't like mayonnaise, you can use ranch, melted butter, garlic, olive oil. And before we add our spices, we're going to combine our ingredients. Add your onion powder, paprika, black pepper, Mexican oregano. Combine all your ingredients. Add your chicken breast. Make sure to coat your chicken thoroughly. Once you've coated your chicken, make sure to cover it and let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. While your chicken is marinating, you can get started on your side dish. You can use some rice, you can have some salad or some pasta. I'll make sure to leave some suggestions for you on what you can pair your Pollo A La Plancha. Set your burner on a medium heat and allow it to warm up for about 30 to 45 seconds. I'm gonna add some olive oil. Allow your oil to heat up another 30 seconds. The best part, we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna continue to cook our chicken 3.5 minutes on each side. You wanna make sure to seal all that juiciness in our chicken breast. We don't want anything to escape. Boom, done, amigos. Those of you that are interested in this pan, it gets really hot. I would say it's more of a professional pan. Look at the link in the description area and see if it's something that you're interested in. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let this chicken rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. I like to keep it here on this little rack because it always works for me. But if you guys can see, there's a little puddle right here that looks like broth. That's how juicy our chicken is. And it's a clear broth, and that's how you know your chicken is fully cooked, that it's juicy and full of flavor, as you can see. Right when you take your chicken off the pan, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt. Ooh, what do you have there? Your salad. In this salad we have roasted red bell peppers, cucumber, and some delicious tomatoes. And a little bit of cilantro. Perfect. It's tender. It's juicy and it's falling apart in my mouth. We need our veggies. And sometimes you really don't have to overthink dinner or your lunch. This is a super easy recipe. It's light, it's delicious, and it's ready for you to eat. Yummy, yummy.